Go. All right, so this is our second edition of Mind Mapping for Leadership using bubble.us. Right, okay, good, nice. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hey, I'm back in. So who did I leave out? I don't want to leave out anyone. Hania says, Hania, this is in relation to what, Hania? I like how you all connecting it. Nice. Hania says, when Hania thinks about leadership, Hania thinks about inspiring others. Yeah. So, nice. And Hania said, when she thinks about inspiring others, Hania also thinks about what? Hania also thinks about something Hania said. Oh, what was it? Being visionary and passionate in what I think about. In what I think about inspiring others. So being visionary and passionate in what I think about. Okay, cool. I'm going with that. Nice. Okay, I'm going with that one. I'm going to extend this. Being very passionate. Being very, is it visionary, I think you said? While I inspire them. Right? Being very visionary, or being visionary and passionate. That's what I should put here. Being visionary or being a visionary and being passionate while or when I inspire others. I'll change it to when I inspire others. This is coming to you courtesy Hania. Yes, Hania, good work. Good work. We're going nice so far. Let's see if I could track this up here. Good, nice, good. You see what's going on here? This is a leadership. Hey, guys, you know what's going on here? This is a leadership think tank. 1 2 1 2. This is a leadership think tank. You're with me on that? Think tank right here. This is the tank here. And we are thinking. Are you all with me on that? Husana, Samantha. Who else? Omar says vision, view, and vision. I'll just take vision. So Omar says forward thinker. Omar says if a leader is forward thinking, that means that leader will have a vision. Very good, Omar. Very good, Omar. You're thinking, Omar. You're using your thinking cap. Right? So forward thinker, someone with a vision. Someone with a vision. Very good, Omar. Very good, Omar. Guys, you can do this all evening. I'm loving it. Who did I leave out? Aman. I think Aman said something. Aman, you said something. Aman said, I think, I stand to be corrected. Okay, all right. Okay, let me see if we left out anything. Sarish, you said when you think about leadership, you think about a problem solver. My question is this: when you think about problem solving, what comes to mind? When you think about problem solving, what comes to mind? Talha, when you think about decision making, what comes to mind when you think about decision making? Yeah. What comes to mind? Right? That is the kind of conversation, the kind of brainstorming I want. Talha, you said when you think about leadership, you think about responsibility. Here's my question. When you think about responsibility, what comes to mind? When you think about responsibility, what comes to mind? Testing 1 2 3. Husna, when you think about authority, what comes to mind when you think about authority? What do you think about authority? What comes to mind? Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 3. So Sahar says skills. Wait. That is in relation to what? Hold on, let me check. That is in relation to what? Sarish, sorry. Sarish, you said skills. Let me see, Sarish. What is that? Skills. I'm looking for Sarish. So, Sarish, when you think about problem solving, you think about skills. Oh, good. Sarish, you're paying attention, man. Very good. You're paying attention. Awesome. I like that. I'm going to take that as a good point. So problem solving, to be a problem solver, you need to have the skill set. Very true. You need to have the skill set. Awesome, awesome. Hey, you go in places, man. Go to the head of the coffee shop. You need skills. Okay, okay, you need skills. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna bring this here. Yeah, nice. It looks nice. It looks really pretty. I love it, and I will save it, and I will share it with you all. All right? Are you all with me on this? Are you all with me? Are you all with me? One more thing though, responsibility. Nice. When I think of authority, I think of delegation of responsibility. Very good, Husna. Very good. Very good, very good, very good. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let me just copy that. I forgot I could just do this. Very good, awesome. So this is Husna on authority. Go to the head of the coffee shop. Go to the head of the coffee shop. We go here. I'm trying to type in that box. Somehow I'm not able to. Hold on, let me check. Nice, I can do it now. Nice, very good point. Awesome, and let me drag it here. Awesome, authority. Beautiful. It's nice, it's nice, it's nice, it's nice. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, testing. So this is the leadership brainstorming session, right? We're using bubble.us or double.us, right? Leadership, man. I love it. I love it. So we can. I think we're nice. We good here. We good here. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Thanks for participating, guys.